Welcome to SeveUp App. I'm Ivan, and in this video I'm going to explain how to get about linking a BIM dashboard to your project in SeveUp App. First of all though, make sure that you are signed up for one of our pricing plans so that you can have access to this great feature. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I have my new project open right here. And now I'm going to check that I have the dashboard template that I need by going to Dashboard Templates. Here you'll see two tabs, My Dashboards, which are dashboards that are created by you, and All Dashboards, which include all uploaded dashboards as well. Now click on the project section to go back into the new project. Click on the Dashboards Template tab and then click on Add Dashboard Template. Here you can either choose a template from your library or you can upload it from your computer directly. So I'm going to choose one from my library by clicking right here. Then you choose a dashboard by selecting the box and pressing OK. If you want to choose a specific revision of the dashboard, then you can do that right here. Otherwise, it will again choose the latest version by default. Then click on Create and the dashboard template will appear in your project and you'll see your new dashboard template then ready for you to use. Okay, if you want to find out how to create a BIM dashboard using SeveUp App and Microsoft Power BI, you need to go up and watch this video up here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.